Dishwashers make household chores easier, but now a recall has been placed for over 1 million units due to fire hazard. The Consumer Product Safety Commission says there is a recall on about 1.3 million GE Adora, GE Eterna, GE Profile, and Hotpoint dishwashers. The machine's heating elements can fail and cause fires. GE has received 7 reports of fires, 3 of which cause extensive property damage, though no injuries have been reported. The government says owners should stop using the dishwashers and immediately disconnect the electric supply by shutting off the fuse or circuit breaker. GE says it will provide free repairs or rebates toward new dishwashers.